Welcome to News from the Lake. This week we have a cover reveal for you of Alien at the Backyard Barbecue by Chris McCauley. It's coming August 1st from Crystal Lake Kids. There's also a sign-up page now for our Ghostland Board Games Kickstarter. Yes, that is Ghostland by Duncan Ralston. We've made a board game of his best-selling novel. The Kickstarter will launch in about a month. For Throwback Thursday this week, we had 8 Cylinders by Jason Parent. The first 5 books in the Dark Tide series are on sale now for only $5. That's 99 cents each, so that is 5 books for the price of 1. We've awarded Patrick Rutigliano's Wind Chill for the Most Likely to Give You Frostbite award. The finalist for this month's Flash Fiction contest is up on our Patreon page. The new theme is also up there for any authors interested in giving it a go. We have 2 new pre-orders up as well. The first one is Servants of Stone by Sean Eads and Joshua Viola. And then Dark Tide 21, which is titled 24 Frames Per Second by Tim Wagner, Gary A. Brombeck, and Andrew Nadolny. There are only a few more days to back our Darkest Depths graphic novel Kickstarter. If we can reach $10,000, then we will be able to add another story, and that means another author to the graphic novel. For those who don't know yet, I'm heading to America at the end of June. I'll be at the Horror on Main convention in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I'm really looking forward to meeting some of you there. Until next time.
Have a nice day.